I got air filters. You guys, these things are not cheap. Now, I legit don't remember ordering this. I know I did. I know I ordered it. I don't remember ordering this.
Just pulled up to the house. Don't feel like
So first order of business is these boxes because they've been sitting there for over a week now. It's time to handle it. So I'm about at a 50%. I've been trying to get my energy back today, you guys. I do not spring back like I used to, but I had so much fun at the concert. But I need to get my house in order, and first things first is getting these boxes out of here. I'm tired of seeing him in this front room, and I want to put out a little bit of fall in here, and I can't do that with these boxes sitting here in the way. So I've just kind of been letting them collect till everything got here so I could go through, send things back if I need to all at once instead of one thing at a time. 2, I got some stuff for Cole, like one thing for Christmas. I didn't want him to see it yet, so I need to put it in a secure location while he's gone. And then 3, some of it was my mom's stuff, and I wanted to make sure all her stuff got here, put it in one box, send it on her way. So I just like to check, make sure I have everything that I order as I go through things. But yeah, let's go through this Amazon haul. I don't know about y'all, but for me, Prime Day is when I get like home essentials and then things that have like been in my cart or on my wish list for a while, practical things. So that's kind of what I got in here. So the first thing I got for Cole was this My Preschool educational game. It's like a handwriting thing. He needs to learn how to write. We were practicing his letters and he struggles, and he's a lefty, so I'm struggling because lefties are hard. But anyways, it's like coloring, handwriting practice, number games, like it's a bunch of different things in here. And so I wanted to get this for him so that we could start doing this when we do his homework at night, because she had like the other night like practicing letters, practicing coloring, and like it's just like a line on the paper, or you get a piece of paper. You can trace the lines with the markers and then erase, so he can keep practicing with this. Tracing shapes and coloring in shapes, and then it has his letters in there as well. There was one that had the indentation though. I guess I didn't get that one. It was like an etch book, but I saw different ones, and so I just wanted to get him something, an activity book that he could use. So there is that. I also got him a new thing for his toys, because the one that we have, it is suction, and it has like 2 suctions, and it's a net, but it's gotten so like worn over the years. It's been in there for a long time. It's not sticking like it used to. And this is the one that you can like scoop up the toys with, and I had been seeing it and I wanted it, so since it was on sale during Prime, that's the one I got. That's what it looks like. So yeah, we're gonna switch that out with his scoop that he currently has in there. I wasn't sure if I wanted this, but I went ahead and got it for him because he loves cooking. So I got him this little grill, but I need to see how tall it is. I had it in my cart and I was like, I'll figure it out when it gets here and like measure it and everything, but I didn't want to miss the Prime Day deal. So I'm gonna hide this in the closet. It says it's, I love how it tells you how tall it is. I don't know, I'll read the specifics. I could always send it back. It said 3 and up though, so I figured it was tall enough for him. So I got that. I also got this mat for my kitchen sink, because I don't have 2 separate sides to the sink. It's just one large, what do you call those things? It's not a farmhouse thing. What is it called? I don't know. Y'all know what I'm talking about. And so I got this heavy duty mat to put over it. So like if I want to like rinse stuff and put it on top, like this could lay over it, but I need to make sure it is wide enough. Let me see. Okay, I just went in the kitchen and checked it. It is perfect. I'll show it to y'all later. All right, I'm just gonna make this a trash box now. I also got me some new AirPods, you guys. I did not get like the latest edition. I just got like the cheapest ones I could find because I needed some new AirPods. I'm tired of stealing Kohl's, and I actually like AirPods way more than I like the wired ones or the big headphones. So yeah, I just got me some AirPods. That was definitely in my cart for a while and I just hadn't purchased it. Okay, so the next random thing I got, which is not really random, but it is deodorant, but this is the Fleur Vanilla Skin Deodorant. If you know, I have been raving about the perfume, and so I wanted the deodorant because it was on sale and because I'm like have this much left of the other deodorant that I've been trying out. So I wanted to try this out, you guys, because that little vanilla scent, that just, it does something to me, and I wear a lot of vanilla, so I wanted to try out this deodorant. It's like not strong, but you can like smell it, so I bet it smells so good once it like mixes with your body chemistry. But anyways, it says it has notes of pink pepper, pink apple, sugar crystals, lily, jasmine petals, cashmere wood, benzoin, vanilla, sandalwood, and agarwood. I don't know. I just wanted to try it, so I thought that was something that I could try out for deodorant since my other one is clearly about to be empty. This package, I told y'all some stuff was for my mom. My mom wanted some new cameras, and it came in like a set of 4. They came separate. I don't know why, but these are her cameras, so I'm gonna put her stuff over here. But it's like a Blink Mini 2 indoor-outdoor camera. We have cameras around our house that we can move around so we can see Cole, and like when he's in different spots. But we can also use our phones. They're connected to our phones. So we never had a baby cam because we always had like our security cameras, and we just look at it on our phone. So these are her 2. I'm gonna stick them in this box. This is the other one. It's the Blink Outdoor 4, and like it's weather resistant. So she got that. What is in here? Oh, she got, this is hers too. So the fragrance that my mom wears all the time, it's like her signature, and I love when people have a signature scent. I could walk into my aunt's house and it brings back memories from when I was like 10, and I love that because she had the same scent when I was growing up, and it just smelled like home. These bottles were a nice price for Amazon Prime, you guys, and I just happened to show her. I was like, isn't this your perfume? And she's like, get me too, I'm out. She got 2 of those. I got air filters. Yes, I got air filters. You guys, these things are not cheap. I think my system makes me change it out like every 6 months, but it says they last up to 12 months, but we are in a very, very dusty, dirty area. Y'all know, by the way, I'm like always sneezing and coughing and sweeping up dirt. So these things are not cheap. I have a hard time finding them in store a lot, and so I always get them on Amazon. I love catching the sale. So this is gonna last me for like at least 1.5 years with these 2, and they were such a good price. They come in a 2-pack. They are huge, by the way. Like, this is the size of one of them. So yeah, got me some air filters. I told y'all I get practical things. I think this one is the black dress that my mom ordered, you guys. I told y'all I didn't order a whole bunch of stuff. But, well, okay, correction. I ordered stuff, but she ordered a lot too. Oh, pillows, you guys. I have not replaced pillows in my guest bedroom. I actually think those are old pillows, even from like my apartment. I don't know. And so I'm going to fix up the guest room eventually. So I got some pillows. These are the Cossinor Luxury Collection fiber-filled pillows. They come, of course, in a 2-pack. So I got 2 of these because I have really nice pillows on my bed, but I never put really nice pillows on my guest bed. And when guests come, I just switch out the pillows because, like, I have one particular pillow that I sleep on that's like a memory foam, and the other ones are literally there for decoration. I don't use them. So yeah, I got some nice new pillows. All right, so as y'all know, last year during the sale or during Christmas, during some time, I was saying that I was going to get me some new pajamas. So these Hanes ones were on sale. I mostly got them for the shorts, but they came in a 2-piece. So I got this in black. It feels very stretchy, which is nice because I do not like to feel confined. But I have old short sets in there that, like, I just have the bottoms for, no top, and I just wanted a complete set, new pajamas. Y'all know I have been clearing out my pajama drawer since last year, and I bought some pajamas. So I just got me some more, and I got 2 different colors. I saw right after I ordered these 2 that Gap had a sale on pajamas, and I was legit like, I'm just gonna send these back, but no, I already bought them. So see, they're very stretchy. So I got 2 colors in that. I could not resist this set. This little short set, like I feel like such a mom when I see these sets and I try these. So yeah, I got this little knit set, and actually I think I can wear it now because like today was like 80. It's dropping, the temperature's kind of dropping, but like this, so cute with like some black sandals. I feel so much like a mom with these. So I love that little set. Say y'all now, I legit don't remember ordering this. I know I did. I know I ordered it. I don't remember ordering this. But, okay, now I do. It looked so cute on the model. And I love winter. I love dressing for winter. I don't do so well in the spring. Fall, you know, I'm good. I start to layer. But winter is my jam. And I saw this cranberry colored sweater. It is thick. It is stretchy. I like that it had like a little V-neck. It looked so cute on the model. I'm going to show it to y'all on the model so you can get the vibe. So yeah, I thought that was so cute. So I wanted to get me a new sweater because again, I'm going to go through my closet. Something I did during like spring and summer was I put a bag in Cole's closet and in my closet. And as I found stuff we needed to get rid of, I put it in the bag and I donated all that stuff. And then stuff that I knew I needed to like throw away, I threw it away. All right, this I'm not going to open. This is my mom. She ordered a black dress for church. So we're not going to open that. And this, so I got this when I was thinking about the fall colors I wanted, and I don't have a throw this color. This literally has been in my cart for over a year, you guys. I just been watching it, looking at it, admiring it, and finally I was like, you know what, I'm gonna get it because this was the color I was talking about I wanted in my living room, and I don't know. Like this is my favorite color to wear. And a lot of people know, like they'll see me wear this color a lot, especially during this time. But I just thought this was so pretty. So even if I use it on my bed, I use it on the couch, I just really wanted this. And it has been sitting in that cart forever. And finally I was like, you know what? I'm gonna get it. Cause I like put it in the cart and then I saved it. And then it went on sale one time and I put it in the cart and I was like, no, I don't need it. And then when I was talking about this color or like a lighter green for fall, I was like, I'm getting it. I'm getting it this year because I can even see me just leading this color year round. Even though it's like kind of thicker, I don't care. I want it. I like it. So yeah, that is the haul. That is all I got, you guys. That is it. So I'm gonna start getting us reset because we gotta go to work tomorrow. The fun is over. The fun is over. Cole is like 3 minutes away. I have to hide this.
어젯밤에 어디 있었어 생각하곤 있어 너 어린아이 같아 넌 아직까지 마음이 넌 아파 I'm feeling lonely Something about you make me feel insecure baby Something about you girl Stay here right by my side Feel like I am falling deeper 여기서 alone Feel like falling deeper, deeper Cause I love everyone, oh Loving you right, baby Love everyone, oh Come on and tell me now Love everyone, baby Loving you right, baby Love everyone Tell me what's going on now
Alright, so I just finished prepping my lunch, my breakfast. I didn't make any dinner because my mom brought Olive Garden. They fed the ministers, and so she brought me extra, so I didn't really need dinner for tonight. I will probably cook tomorrow. I don't know what I'm gonna cook, but I'll cook tomorrow. But I didn't need to cook tonight, and I'm just gonna eat the salad that she brought me. So yeah, Cole's already done. He's eating some ice cream. I really had a taste for apple juice. Yeah. Don't ask me why. But anyways, so I just did my normal breakfast scramble. I'll show y'all. I just did my normal breakfast scramble. These are cooling. Then I got some, it was cubed beef. I just wanted it kind of like a stir fry almost. But yeah, I cooked all the beef. So that's my breakfast. I just cooked a few bell peppers and onions. I like to kind of burn mine, as y'all can see. And then this is like my actual one for lunch. It's already ready. And then just some plain rice. That's literally all I've been wanting, like over and over again, every week. And excuse the dishes, I'm about to handle those. But this is the mat I was talking about that I so desperately wanted. And I love it. I love it. We're gonna call it night. I'm gonna finish cleaning up this kitchen and then put Cole to sleep. Edit a video, and that's it for this Sunday. It was very short reset. I pulled out some clothes for tomorrow. It was a very quick like little reset. I'm still trying to get my strength back. I would definitely want to make sure I had breakfast and lunch at least, because Cole doesn't have any more football. Football's over, so I can come straight home and do whatever else I need to do as far as like dinner goes. But yeah, load this dishwasher and call it a night, you guys. Thank you so much. Pumpkin. What about the pumpkin? Oh, okay.
Mommy, I want the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
I don't know what he's counting. Bye, y'all. Thanks so much for hanging with us today. We'll see y'all in the next one.